Hey guys, so today I am going to be coloring this beautiful 26-inch curly wig that I made on my sewing machine. It is a frontal wig with a medium-sized wig cap, and I made this one. And now I am going to custom color this wig for my client. If you want to know how I make my lace frontal wigs, I have a video on that, and I'll go ahead and link that below. But we are going to go ahead and color this entire wig red, and we are going to leave a little bit of the roots dark. So the roots are not going to get necessarily colored, but I'm still going to protect them with my Got2b spray. So with my Got2b spray, just like I do in all my lace wig coloring videos, I am going to spray only about 2 to 3 coats of the Got2b spray onto my lace. And I coat it evenly and let it air dry in between each coat. So I'm just going to let that sit on there, and I'll come back to you after both coats are completely dry. Okay, so for this 26-inch curly wig, I'm not coloring the roots at all, but I still protected it, of course, with some Got2b spray just in case. I am going to part this hair and separate the frontal hair from the tracks that are actually in the back. All right, separate these two. And the same color process goes for the back. I'm not doing the roots of the back, so I'm not even going to worry about it really getting onto my little mannequin head down here. Alright, so I am actually going to start in the back. Look at this hair, y'all. Oh my god. This 26-inch curly hair is like the bomb. This is my Brazilian curly. So bomb. Alright, so we're going to start in the back. So I'm going to separate this back section into 2 sections as well. Hopefully I have enough color. I am going to be using the L'Oreal High Color Red for dark hair only. I don't want this red to be like super bright fire truck red. I just want it to be a darker red, so I'm definitely going to be watching it as it's processing, so then I know when to rinse the color out. Alright, I'll probably separate this into one more section just so I can have more control over the hair, and then I can go ahead and get started. Okay, so inside of my applicator bottle, I have my high clairol color along with some developer and the red intensifier as well. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Alright, so once my mixture is completely mixed inside of my applicator bottle, I am just going to go ahead and apply this entire bottle to the hair, barely missing the roots on this curly hair. Okay, so as you can see, all of the red is on the wig, all over completely. I'm actually gonna leave this on here, honestly, for probably about an hour or so, 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll see how far it's come. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the entire wig once I get to the desired red that I want. I don't want it to be an intense red. So we will see what the finished look is in just a few. All right, guys, so this is the finished product of my red. Kind of like a violet red. I really wanted it to be really dark, close to burgundy looking. This is the finished product. Really big, really curly, 26 inches, lace frontal. Let me turn it around so you guys can see the back. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Get a real close up look. It's still a little wet in some places. All I did was turn my wig head upside down and use the diffuser to dry it a little bit. But that is it for today. If you guys have any questions on this unit or other units that I make, let me know. This is a lace frontal 26-inch curly Brazilian hair wig that I made. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and apply the color. Apply the color. So that just squirted all over the floor over there. So we're gonna leave that.